guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Awais, and here I have the Siri remote for the Apple TV 4K. I didn't buy the Apple TV because I already have it. Well, I've got the previous gen, but I didn't want to upgrade because it's only chip that's changed. But I was really interested in the Siri remote, and this is the latest one. It's compatible with Apple TV 4th generation or later. I've got the 4th gen, so this should work perfectly fine. You've got a tab here. Do you know what? I'm really surprised of how Apple designs these packaging. So you have a USB-A to Lightning to charge your remote. You've got some booklets. I don't think you have any stickers. Okay, let's just get this out. This actually feels really nice, really good. I love the curve of the back because when you're holding it, nicely sitting on my palm. The buttons actually feel the same as the previous gen, these ones. So you got a microphone there, you got power on and off. And this is a click wheel. For those of you who don't know, this was actually used back in the iPod days. Remember when I had an iPod and we just shuffle through music just by turning this around. This is a button itself. So it'll be really interesting to set this up and yeah, see how it behaves with the previous gen Apple TV.
Hey Siri, turn off the TV.
Comparing it with the previous gen remote, I mean, you can see the difference. It's a lot taller, a lot thicker. You got menu that's been taken off, so that's back now. You got the Siri button here, but then you got Siri button on the right here. You got up and down volume. You still have the microphone at the top. I still like this compared to that, but I think it'll be more useful to have this Siri remote.